Hello travellers, today I wanted to do just a really quick review of the Forina Packing Cube set from Ikea. This is a set of packing cubes that is very affordable at only 13 Australian dollars or 9 American dollars. It comes in a set of 6 cubes that weigh roughly 20 grams or 0.7 ounces each. Of the 6 cubes, half of them are mesh top, which are great for packing clothing. During my recent trip, I only ended up using 2 of these cubes. The medium size fits all of my clothing and the small size held all of my electronics and cables. They fit nicely into a backpack without much trouble, and the different sizes allow for different stacking and packing methods. You can stack 2 of the smaller cubes on top of each other, for example. I personally preferred using the non-mesh top ones for my gear, but I can see how the mesh top ones would be good for seeing what you have in the bag when you need to quickly grab it. The smaller mesh top bags are great for socks and underwear, for example, and the small non-mesh tops are great for other items like cables or even electronics. There's only one zip that goes all the way around the cubes, and I actually found this to be quite convenient. The quality of the zips and the material felt quite strong and durable, and I haven't had any problems yet, although I will do an update later if I do. Although if they did break while traveling or you had any problems, you could easily pick up another set at the nearest Ikea. Overall, a really nice set of packing cubes from Ikea that I would certainly recommend, especially if you're in the market for some packing cubes that are very lightweight and very affordable. And they'll be very useful for all your organizational needs. So that's it, thanks very much for watching. Be sure to let me know down below what is your packing cube of choice, and be sure to stay subscribed to keep up to date with future videos.